In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the top and bottom of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to remove the drain plug. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Remove the engine oil filter. Using a nice clean rag, we're going to wipe the mating surface for our oil filter. Get rid of any of the old oil and the dirt. Before installing our new oil filter, we're going to prime it. We're going to pour oil into the middle of the filter. Get it nice and full. I'm going to take some of that excess oil with a clean glove and I'm going to wipe it around my seal. Install the filter onto the vehicle. Install the oil filter up into place. You want to get it nice and snug with your hand, and that's all you need to do. Take a clean rag with some parts cleaner and wipe the area. If you're able to remove your crush washer, go ahead and do that now and replace it with a new one. We have a rubber seal on ours, so it's just going to go back up. Install the drain plug. We're going to snug it with a wrench, give it a wipe, clean your area, use some brake parts cleaner if needed. Torque the drain plug to 28 foot-pounds. Remove the oil cap. On the oil cap, it'll tell you which two oils you can use in this engine. We're going to fill the engine with engine oil until it shows up on the full mark on the dipstick. Now that we've added our engine oil, we're going to pull out our dipstick, wipe it off, put it back in, pull it back out, and now we're going to check our oil level. We have a low mark and a high mark. We want to make sure that our oil is right at that high mark, which it is. We'll give it a wipe, put it back in, reinstall your oil cap. Now go ahead and pop in the car, start it up, let it run for a minute, turn it off, wait 5 minutes, and then come back to your dipstick and recheck it. Make sure it's at that full mark, and if it's not, go ahead and top it off until it is.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.